Okay, this video is about how to find the identity of a substance when you're given all the other variables in the specific heat equation, the Q equals mc delta T. So this video is about using this formula. Even though these two are the same thing, if you've watched my other video, it's just moving the equation around to get C to B alone. So for example, this is from your worksheet. Okay, we're given a mass of 54 grams of a certain substance. We don't know who it is yet. It has a delta T from 25 to 48, so we're going to have to solve for that. And then we know our Q is 575 joules of heat. So over here we can go ahead and we can write down everybody that we have. So we know that Q equals 575 joules. We know that our mass is 54 grams. And we know that our delta T is the difference between these two, the final temperature and the initial temperature. We can say it's really 48 minus 25, which ends up equaling 23 degrees Celsius. And then we don't know C because we don't know who the substance is. Remember, we have a different specific heat for every different substance. So water has a different specific heat than ice. Ice has a different specific heat than iron. Iron has a different specific heat than mercury. So we're going to be using the equation that we've been given to solve for C, which is why we're going to want to end up manipulating the equation to use this equation. You can do it either way, but this is just a step faster. So we're going to say, okay, C, specific heat, is equal to whatever the Q was that they gave us over the M times the delta T. So I'm going to say C equals, my Q was 575 joules, my M was 54 grams, and my delta T was 23 degrees Celsius. So in my calculator, I'm going to follow exactly what I just wrote down, including those parentheses. So I'm going to type 575 divided by parentheses 54 times 23, close parentheses, enter. And I get a specific heat of 0.46 joules per grams degrees Celsius. So now that I have a specific heat, that's awesome. But did the question ask for what is the specific heat? No, it asked for what the name of the substance is. So what I can do is I can go over to my specific heat table. If you have a question like this on your test, you're going to be given, we're not going to expect you to memorize the specific heat of a bunch of different substances. Okay, so you'll be given this. So I'm going to go look for whoever has 0.46 joules per grams degrees Celsius. So I'm not going to want to look on this side because that's calories per grams degrees Celsius. I'm going to want to look right here in this column because this has joules. I'm going to look for the number 0.46. Aha, right there. Who is that? That's iron. So the name of the substance would be iron.